In a move that's stirring up curiosity and some confusion, Maserati has introduced a new base version of its Grecale SUV. And here's the twist. It's just called the Grecale. That's right, Maserati has replaced the previous entry-level Grecale GT with a model so understated in name, you might miss the fact that it's new. Here's what we do know. The new Grecale trim slots below the Modena and Trofeo versions. It features 20-inch diamond-cut wheels and a premium leather interior with 12-way heated front seats. Under the hood, it packs a mild hybrid 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 296 horsepower globally, or 325 horsepower in North America and South Korea. While Maserati hasn't revealed official pricing yet, it's likely this base Grecale will be priced just under the previous GT's $69,900 tag. And with it comes a clear attempt by Maserati to shake up the lineup and attract attention in a crowded luxury SUV market. More than just a new trim, here's what else is changing. Maserati's 2025 Grecale lineup is getting more than just a new base model. There's a wider color palette now featuring 11 standard hues, with even more eye-catching finishes, like Giallo Genio Gloss and Dark Aurora Boreal, available via the Fuoriserie customization program. Inside, buyers will spot new upholstery options like chocolate leather and sport leader black blue, alongside the familiar twin display setup, 12.3-inch and 8.8-inch screens. What's still here and turning heads? Modena trim keeps the 325 horsepower engine but adds 21-inch wheels, matrix LED headlights, an adaptive suspension, and a limited slip differential. Trofeo roars with a 523 horsepower twin-turbo Nettuno V6, giving the SUV real supercar DNA. Folgore EV, the electric Grecale comes loaded with a 105 kilowatt-hour battery and dual motors, delivering 550 horsepower and instant torque. Industry insiders are wondering if Maserati is preparing to eventually phase out the GT badge entirely. Could this also be a soft move toward a broader realignment of its performance trims across the lineup? There's also chatter that the Folgore might see further updates to compete more fiercely in the EV segment. Whatever the case, Maserati is clearly working to keep the Grecale relevant and shake up expectations while doing it.